I'm glad you could join me today. I am Vicky Manitou Okas, and guess what? My bay has got roots. The cuttings that I took in August have roots. So today we're going to plant them. And let me move the camera. Okay. So, okay, what I do, this is the bay. These are the cuttings. They are in the propagation tray and they are ready to come out. So I just pulled one. And look at that beautiful root. Okay, so we're going to plant those up. But what I did was I've got just regular commercial potting mix that you buy at the store. Mix in a little bit of sand, about oh, maybe about 2 parts potting mix, 1 part sand, because Bay likes good drainage. And this is already moist. I pre-moistened this. Okay, and I'm going to plant more than one in here because I'm a little bit short in space. Okay, I'll be able to split these up in the spring, but I want to get them a good start this winter. Okay, so they're nice and mixed up. Okay, so take your bay, and the one that I just pulled out of there. Here it is. Okay, so you got your little bay tree that's got roots on it. Okay, now bay is notoriously difficult to root, so I want to be very, very careful. Since I've got roots on this, I'm going to be very careful about how I plant it. So dig a little bit of a hole. Okay, and put that in there. Okay, I'm going to show you how to pull one out, because I think most of these have got roots on them. We're going to have a little bay forest here. Okay, there's the next one. If they don't have roots, we put them back in. Okay, what I do is I loosen up the soil, pick that up. Okay, now as you can see, that one is not ready, so we're going to put that back in the propagation tray. Okay, make a little slit, stick that in there. Okay, and close that up. Okay, we'll check the next one. Okay, what I do is I take the knife or my trowel, I work around it so that I am not disturbing any roots. Okay, so there, a little bit of root. Okay, I want that one to spend some more time in the propagation tray, so I'm very carefully, I put that back in the propagation tray. I'll check the next one. Get, go away from the stem and loosen up the sand. And that one's got nice roots. Okay, very, very nice. Okay, so that one is going to go in here. Okay, so dig a little hole. Place that in there gently, very gently. Firm that back around there. All right. Okay, I got one more to check. Work around it, give it plenty of space so you don't damage the roots. Loosen up the sand. Okay, and that one is not ready, but they are still looking good. So you put this back in there. Uh, Bay is one of the most difficult plants to get to root that I work with. And I've got 2 out of the 5 root. Actually, I've got 3 out of the 5 rooted using the propagation tray. So check out the propagation tray workshop and see how I do it. All right. Thank you. And come join us over at Delectable Tiny Gardens and come play in the dirt with us. We support each other doing this kind of stuff. All right. Thank you. And see you next time.